Welcome to Express Computers, an exclusive web video series, EC Buzz. In this video, know how an Indian drone startup is setting its world-class benchmarks. Aarav Unmanned Systems, AUS, which provides professional drones for enterprises, offers a range of functions, from GIS survey and mapping to helping with precision agriculture and industrial inspection. The startup, incubated at the SIDBI Innovation and Incubation Center at IIT Kanpur in 2013, designs and develops UAV-based solutions using proprietary drone technology. The flagship product of AUS is Insight PPK, an indigenous survey-grade PPK, GPS-based, and it is the only company to manufacture a specific technology, and it's a fully autonomous drone. AUS has already mapped more than 4.5 lakh acres of area and served key players like Coal India, Hindalco, JSW Group, L&T, Adani, Vedanta, and multiple state governments across the verticals. The company's roadmap includes improving all the layers of the solution step by step and increasing the benchmark industry is working with. This will include deeper data analytics and use case-specific solutions. Please share your comments, feedback below. For the latest updates in the IT space, follow us on our social media platforms. Read full articles at www.expresscomputer.in. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.